sweet?
Nothing.
You look handsome. Thank you, honey.
Morning, Daddy.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Daddy, when you get home, can we play some baseball?
Sure we can, bud.
Me too, me too.
Okay, honey.
I can't wait to try out the new baseball mitt you and Mommy got me. Yeah, come home soon, Daddy.
Okay, honey, I will. Alright, I love you guys.
In my line of work, my family and I know that every time I put on the uniform, there is a chance I may never come home. It's an honor to work with brave men and women, to be able to protect and serve the public and keep my town and my family safe. Never once did I question putting my life on the line to do my job. If I had to lay down my life for the greater good, then so be it. We always dealt with the possibility that I might get killed on duty. I just never thought it would be because I wasn't wearing my seatbelt.